Hello, in this tutorial we will learn how to make a tank AI that will auto fire projectile at the target, and it can adjust the rotation of the gun to fire at the correct angle. And we can also control a tank that can use the tank's gun to fire projectile to the target. We can see that I'm using the red tank to move, and the green one is the AI. So this is the introduction video. In the next tutorial we will go to detail of how to set up everything from environment to coding and add VFX particle for the explosion, and maybe we will add the sound and the health bar for two tanks to decrease the health whenever we get hit by the projectile. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you on the next tutorial.